Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word ladybug landing in depth. First, the definition. Ladybug landing means an event where a ladybug settles briefly on a person or object. Think of it simply as a tiny visitor taking a short rest. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Ladybug landing traces back to the association of ladybugs with luck, dating back to European folklore in the Middle Ages. Over time, it's been used by many cultures as a symbol of good fortune. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use ladybug landing in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. A ladybug landing on you is often seen as a sign of good luck. Correct example 2. Yesterday, a ladybug landing brightened her picnic afternoon. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to ladybug landing my homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using ladybug landing correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Ladybug landing means an event where a ladybug settles briefly on a person or object. It comes from the association of ladybugs with luck in European folklore, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with ladybug landing down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.